Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today I know I've had a lot of people ask me, what should I do with the YSOSAT SBs? I hit a pair, maybe I didn't, or I'm interested in, kind of getting my personal pair. When should I get that? And I'm here to help you out kind of with answering that, and also making sure you check your local locations. Always check skate shops, raffles going on, because for the next 2-3 days, maybe even week or so, there will be pairs coming in from skate shops, raffling them off, things like that. That's why prices are a little bit higher right now. There's a lot of pairs that have to land, and people are buying pairs with them not being in hand yet, for at least some. I mean, I've seen a lot of people getting skate shop pairs today, but we'll get into all that. I'm going to discuss it. So if you want more content like this, check me out down below. You can check my Instagrams, any of that, or if you want to check out, Drew and I, we got, again, the cook group going on here. If y'all want to check us out, feel free. We have a ton to offer. Had some great success this morning. Where is it pinned? Oh, I got to refresh this actually so y'all can see that. But pinned right here, y'all can see, again, just kind of run through this, just some pairs we source, stuff like that for deals. And then, of course, if you want to get in the wait list, hey, check us out on our website right here. Go join. There's a ton of stuff we offer. We have a Nike backend monitor for those small app restocks, drop pings, a ton of other useful stuff. Y'all can all see it on the website here. So that's all I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get into discussing, should you sell or should you hold? So the first thing I want to say, you guys can see this was this morning. I put this up, I think last night or this morning. Y'all can see $190. Now if I refresh, ta-da, there you go, $214. And why don't we actually go look at the sales? Oh, wow, this is actually quite, no way, yeah, see, this is still not updated. I know it's not. There you go, look, all above 200. So you guys can see prices are up, demand is up. People have seen pictures of these in hand, and they're like, oh, I want these. I mean, go look at the 10.5 plus. Y'all can see bigger sizes are really getting up there. 12.5, that's insane. That's gonna drop in price for sure. So if you have a 12.5, I would sell that off, just my opinion. But my personal opinion is for anybody interested in buying these up, what I think, just honest answer is I would wait. And that's just, again, my thoughts, because we still have pairs from sneakers that gotta land. Like, I got 2 pairs on the way from sneakers, so those are still coming in. There's pairs from Nike. Again, skate shop raffles that will be going on later this week, so make sure you check your local area, look up skate shops around you. Just literally on Google, look up skate shops near me, and then boom, it'll give you a list, I'm sure. Or you could go to NikeSB.com/shops, I believe, or I think it's Nike.com/shops, not NikeSB.com. But it's one of those, and at /shops at the end, and you guys can see any shops near you that are Nike skate shops specifically. Sorry if that part was confusing. Again, ask down below if that confused you. But really, that's my personal thoughts on this one. I would wait a little bit to buy it. I do think it is a great hold, but I do see, again, as prices rose, $10, $15 from yesterday, I still see them, probably dropping 5, 10, 15 when pairs start to land in hand, because this is, a similar pattern with a lot of SBs, even ones that are great, great pairs like this, look amazing in hand. They still tend to drop once they land, in person, because, there's a lot of stock. There's going to be more people selling them off. Like, once sneakers pairs come in, there will be a bit of a price drop. It will flatten out a little bit, just because, again, not a lot of people are focused on holding sneakers right now. A lot of people are focused on making quicker profits and not really having an inventory. And I understand that, with the economy, all that kind of stuff that's going on right now in the globe, it's a safe bet to just kind of, keep the profit rolling. I totally understand that mindset. That's smart. So aside from those basic points, again, I feel like this one is only worth it to hold, personal opinion, if you have 2+ pairs. That's what I'm saying. So hopefully hear me out there. If you have 1 pair, I don't feel like it's worth it to hold. Again, unless you're someone that focuses a lot on holding, single pairs. Like you hold, 1 pair of these and then 1 pair of, a different sneaker next week. Like if you're focused on just kind of having a variety of sneakers, an inventory of sneakers that's just kind of, more, I guess, diverse, you could say that, just you have a wide variety of pairs. You have a set of different things. And I can understand why you may only hold 1 pair of these and then 10 of those and 5 of these, 3 of those, just so you have more, just more pairs in your general collection that you're holding. I used to do that. It was profitable. It worked. So again, fully understand that. It's also a little bit safer because you're not putting all your money into, 1 sneaker. You're putting it, instead of, doing bulk holds for just 1 pair, you're doing it with 15, 20 different pairs, but just, smaller amounts. Again, that's actually kind of smart, but it really just depends on what you want to do. And if there's also 1 play that, does really well, that's why bulk holds are good. So if you're able to get bulk of these, hey, I definitely would. I would hold it, for 6 to 8 months. No issue there in my opinion. I mean, SBs have been doing great recently. As long as stuff in the economy stays okay, we don't see any sort of collapse, then I think, we'll probably be good, with the prices on these. People are going to, definitely going to be paying up, just with the overall, you got the design right here from Why So Sad, and also back here on the heel you have the question mark. Then you have it doesn't even say Nike on this portion right here, it just says Why So Sad, and then I believe there's some more stuff in the insole there. But it's a great SB. I love this kind of suede toe box that they've gone with, and kind of also by the upper and kind of mid part of the sneaker, and then also by the toe box you can see that's just regular like leather material, not real leather I wish, but SB material is overall nicer from what I've heard, and I believe it is leather. I could be wrong, but from what I know, similar material to most SBs. But it's a very wearable colorway too. We're heading into winter. I mean, we got Christmas time coming up, and if you just look at the past history of most SBs, and again, here's just kind of a different picture of it. Super clean, like very wearable colorway. I have a size 9 coming in. I might drop it in daily deals. So again, if you're interested in checking us out, go on the website there, join our wait list. So I might be dropping it for close to retail, something like that for the size 9 and the 10.5. I got to decide what I'm doing with those. But one of them I will drop in deals, but one of them I might personal. Well, the 9 I made personal because that's more or less my size. 10.5 I probably couldn't fit, but 9 I could probably squeeze my foot into. So why not? It's a clean SB, we'll see. So again, if you just go look at the past history of most SBs, they do very well. Dodgers ones, Phillies ones, Bart Simpson SBs, the Mummy ones, most again over time tend to do well if you're just willing to hold it out. And that's again kind of the same mindset I have with this one. If you're willing to hold it out over time, it's a good hold. But if you're just you have one pair, you're like, I'm just trying to keep my money going. And let's say you had like $500 and then you bought this sneaker, right? You got it for retail and now you got like $370. I would just keep the profit rolling. Honest answer. That's my thoughts. But if you guys want more content like this, again, check out Hype Labs below. Get in our wait list. Let us know, let me know down below if you have any questions. And then in the group, we can help you out with pretty much anything you need. So if there's something, you're just generally, maybe you want to learn about botting, you want to learn, about doing it on sneakers and foot sites, or, you're interested in backdoors, daily deals we do. I'm dropping like 10 tonight because I didn't last night because I didn't event, but making up for that. So that's pretty much all I need to say. There's so much more. I mean, we got that back end monitor, so you can cop those, like small Jordan restocks they do on the Nike app at random. Again, drop hangs. There's so much more I can name, but again, it's all there. So I hope you all will enjoy. And again, check us all, out down below. That'd be dope. And if you want to follow me, feel free. But that's it. I'm ending the screen recording. I'm Tristan. Again, ask your questions down below. Did you hit today? Did you not? Let me know. That's it. I'll catch you all in the next video, hopefully. And check your local area for skate shop raffles. Peace.